Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers. In this chapters, we know how to find HCF, but today we are going to discuss least common multiples, or you can also say lowest common multiples. In short, you can say LCM. So, what is the multiple? If you say multiple of 2, what the multiple of 2? You can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. And again, I ask what is the multiple of 3? Then you again say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on, the multiple of 3. But one question arises here, what the common multiple? If anybody asks, common multiple or least common multiple? Common multiple of 2 and 3. So, first you write multiple of 2, after this we write multiple of 3. Then we find the common multiple of 2 and 3. After this we check least common multiples or first common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, so obviously you can say which is the least common multiple, or this is lowest common multiple. This is called LCM. Okay, so let's see how to find LCM. Okay, so if we take two numbers, we take 2 and 3. Okay, so first you find the multiple of 2 and the multiple of 3. After this we find common multiple of 2 and 3, and after this we find the least common multiple of 2 and 3, and also you can say LCM of 2 and 3. So first we take two numbers, 2 and 3. Okay, so we need to find LCM of 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We need to find LCM of 2 and 3. So for this, first you find LCM multiple, because the LCM is the least common multiple. So first you find the multiple of 2 and the multiple of 3. So here you can write multiple of 2. This is equal to, you can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and so on. This is a multiple of 2. Now, what is the multiple of 3? So you can write here multiple of 3, multiple of 3. You can write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Okay, and so on, the multiple of 3. So after this we find here common multiple. First we need to find the multiple LCM, least common factors, least common multiples, or lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So for this, first we find the multiple of 2 and the multiple of 3. After this we find we are going to find common multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, so you can see here, first write common multiple of 2 you can see 6 and here 6. Okay, in both multiple is the both of 2 and 3. So first write here 6. After this, next 12, 12. 12 is also multiple of 2 and 3. So you write here 2, 12. Next is 18. You can see here 18 and here also 18. Is the multiple of 2 and 3. So we write here 18. And next multiple of 2 and 3. So you can see 24. Here 24 is also. So 24 is also multiple of 2 and 3, and so on. We can find the lot of multiple, common multiple of 2 and 3. But here we need to find the lowest common multiple, or you can say least common multiple of 2 and 3. In short, we can say LCM. So one question arises here: what is the LCM, or you can say least common multiple? So least common multiple or LCM, least common multiple of two natural number is the smallest natural numbers which is multiple of both numbers. What is LCM? LCM of two numbers, LCM of two natural numbers is the smallest natural numbers which is multiple of both numbers, or you can see it is divisible by both numbers. So here the smallest natural numbers which is multiple of both numbers. So you can see 6, 12, 18, 24 is the common multiple of 2 and 3. But we need to find the least common multiple. So least common multiple of 2 and 3 is what is? 6. So you can write here the least number from the common multiple. The least number from the common multiple is 6. So you can write here the least number, or you can say the lowest number. Least number or lowest number from the common multiple of 2 and 3 is what? 6. You can see 6 is the least multiple, lowest multiple, common multiple of 2 and 3. 6 is the numbers which is the least or lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So what is 6? You can say the LCM of, hence the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so we can write at last, hence and the LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood how to find LCM, or you can say least common multiple or lowest common multiples. This is very easy methods, but this method is used very small numbers, 1. Okay, like 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. After this we use another methods. Now we are take one more example to explain this least common multiple or LCM. So in your mind one question arises: what is LCM, or what is the least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple? So you can define LCM. LCM of two numbers is the smallest LCM of the two natural numbers is smallest natural numbers which is multiple of both numbers. Okay, which is multiple of both the numbers, or you can say the LCM of two natural numbers is the smallest natural number which is divisible by uh, both numbers. Okay, so I hope all of you understood LCM up to 3 numbers. You can take 3 numbers like 2, 3, 4. So first we find the multiple of 2, multiple of 3, multiple of 4. After this we find the common multiple of 2, 3 and 4 like this. And after this we check which numbers is least from the common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. The least number is the LCM of the 2, 3 and 4. And now we take another examples to find the LCMs of 10, 20 and 24. We take 20 and 24 to find the LCMs. For this, first what we find? First we find and the multiple, because the full form of LCM is least common multiple. So first we find multiple of 20 and 24. After this we find common multiple of 20 and 24. After this we find the least numbers, which is we find the least number from the common multiple. This least number from the common multiple is called LCM. Okay, so let's see how to find the LCM of 20 and 24. Here we need to find the LCM is least common multiple, lowest common multiple of 20 and 24. So according to his name, first we find the multiple of 20 and 24. After this we find the common multiple of 20 and 24, and the next step is that we find the number which is least of common multiple of 20 and 24. So first write here multiple of 20. So multiple of 20, you can write multiple of 20. This is equal to, you can say 20, 40, 60, okay, 80, 100, and next 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, we write the multiple of 20 is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, and 200. And now next we find write the multiple of 24. So what is the multiple of 24? Multiple of 24 means 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, and so on. Okay, so we write here the multiple of 24. Multiple of 24, you can write 24, next 48, next 72, next 96, 120, 144, 168, and so on. Okay, so here you can see we write the multiple of 24 is 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, and 144, 168, and so on you can write. But here we need to one common factors. Here you can see Common factor between them is 24. These are common factors between them. 120. Okay. Common multiple of 20 and 24 is 120. You can see this is a list numbers. Okay. This is a list number. Then you can say the LCM of 20 and 24 is 120. You can notice that the multiple of both numbers have been written in the increasing order, and the first common multiple is, what is the first common multiple? 120. After this, next common multiple is 240. Clear? So we can write here. Hence, the LCM means least common multiple or lowest common multiple of 20 and 24. This is equal to 120. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood the least common multiple, how to find the LCM up to numbers or more than two numbers. In the case of more than two numbers, first we find the multiple of all these numbers. After this, you can find the common multiples of numbers. Okay, and then you find the least numbers, which is smallest common multiples of these numbers. So let's see one example and try to find more than two numbers and try to find the LCM of these numbers. But this method we use only the very smallest numbers, because here you can see we faced some difficulty to find their multiples. If you take 90, 39, 42, so what is the multiple LCM? So if you write their multiples of 39 and 42 or 45 and 54, so you face some difficulties to write their multiple. So for this we use two methods to find their LCMs. First method is that the prime factorization methods, and second method is division methods. In prime factorization methods, first we find the prime factor of the given numbers and we take the common numbers, and after this we again take the all numbers. Okay, so in this method, prime factorization methods, we write the prime factors of each of the given number. LCM is the product of all the different prime factors of the given numbers, using each common factors the greatest number of times it appears in the prime factorization of any of the given numbers. Okay, so first we take three numbers and try to find the LCM by this simple method. After this we use to find the LCM by prime factorization methods and by division methods. Okay, so first we take one more examples to try to find the LCM of more than two numbers. Okay, suppose you need to find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. This is very smallest quantity, so we use this method to find. Okay, so let's see how to find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So here you can see we take more than two numbers, means three numbers, 2 and 3 and 4, and we are going to find the LCM. LCM is least common multiple or lowest common multiples. So you know very well what is LCM, or you can say least common multiples. The least common multiples of two natural numbers, least common multiple of two natural number is the smallest natural numbers, which is multiple of both the numbers are divisible by the given numbers. Okay, so according to his name, multiple common list. So first write their multiple. So first number is 2. So multiple of 2 is very you know very well. Okay, multiple of 2 you know very well. So you can write here multiple of 2. So multiple of 2. This is equal to, you can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 and so on. Okay, 16 are also you can write 18, 20, 22, 24 and 26, 28 and so on. Okay, now so this is the multiple of 2. Now we write the multiple of 3. So what is multiple of 3? You know very well. So multiple of 3 is, we can write here multiple of 3. This is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30, 33, 36, you can write and so on. Okay, so this is a multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42 and so on, you can write as a multiple of 3. And next number is 4. So what is the multiple of 4? So we can see multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on, you can write. So multiple of, we write here multiple of 4. This is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. You can write it 32, 36, 40 and so on. Okay, so you can see here we write the multiple of 2, 3 and 4. Next step is common multiple. Okay, according to name of LCM, first you write multiple, after this common multiple, after this we take the least number, least common multiple. Okay, this is called LCM. So, okay, so what is the common multiple of 2, 3 and 4? So you can see here, this is a 12. In each case we have 12, 12. Okay, this is a first common multiple. You can also say the first common multiple of numbers is the LCM. Okay, so according to these rules, the first common multiples of the given numbers is the LCM of the that numbers. Okay, so you can say the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is the 12, because 12 is divisible or multiple of 2, 3 and 4. This is least, or you can say first multiple. Okay, next what is the common? 24. Here you can see 24, 24, 24. Okay, and next is 36. Okay, so you can write here the common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. Common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. This is equal to what? Nothing but 12, 24, 36 and so on. Okay, so here you can see the least number from the common multiple. The least number from the common multiple is 12. The least number from the common multiple of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So what? So LCM of this is 12. So you can write here, hence the LCM, of 2, 3 4 is equal to nothing but we can say 12, because 12 is the first common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. Also you can say the 12 is the least common multiple. Here you can see the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 4 is 20, 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. This is the number of common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. So here you can see the least numbers which is common multiple of the given numbers. Given number is 2, 3 and 4. So common multiples, least common multiples are first common multiples according to his increasing order. Okay, as you can see, we write the all common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 in increasing orders. So first common multiples is the LCM. First common multiples, or you can say least common multiples. So least common multiples, least numbers of the common multiples. So here you can see the least number of the common multiple is 12. So 12 is the LCMs, or you can say the first common multiples of the given number is LCM. So student, I hope all of you understood how to find the LCMs of 2 or more than 2 by simple method. We use this method when the number is so small. Okay, if number is so big or large numbers, then we face some difficulties to write their multiple. So we solve this problem. We use to find the LCMs by two methods. First method is by prime factorization methods. In this method, we write the factors, prime factors. We express the number in the product of prime numbers and prime number in each numbers, and we take the first we take their highest common factors. After this, we write each different prime numbers. Okay, so we discuss prime factorization method, LCM by prime factorization methods. We take some more examples. Okay, so let's see how to find LCM by prime factorization methods. Here we take two numbers 28 and 42 and try to find their LCM by prime factorization methods. So in this method, first we write we express the given number in product of prime factors. So how to find prime factors of any numbers, you know very well. Okay, so we can write 28. 28 have a lot of factors. You can express 28 in different types, 4 into 7. This is the factors. Okay, but this is not prime factor because 7 is prime numbers and 2 is not prime number, 4 is not prime numbers. Okay, so this is the not prime factors. When you break 4 into prime factors, then it becomes a prime factorization. So you can write it 2 into 2 into 7. Now you can see here we express 28 in the product of prime factors. Okay, product of prime factors. Now next number is 42. So 42. So we can write 42 like this. 6 into 7. Okay, so 6 into 7. So this is the product of factors, but this is not prime factors because 6 is not prime number. This is composite numbers. Okay, so again you can write 6. You can break 6 in 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so here you can see we express 42 as a product of prime factors is 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3 is 6, 3 is 42. Now you can observe here 2 occurs as a prime factor maximum 2 times. Maximum 2 times. 2 occurs as a prime factors maximum 2 times. 3 1 times and 7. How many times 7? 1 times. Okay. So in each case, according to the prime factorization methods, in these methods we write the prime factors factorization of each numbers. Okay, and LCM is the product of what? LCM is the product of what? LCM is the product of all different prime numbers. LCM is the product of all the different prime factor of the given numbers. Using each common prime factors, the greatest number of times it appears in the prime factorization of any of the given numbers. So here 2 is 2 times. So first we write here LCM. Okay, LCM of 28 into 42. So here you can see 2 occurs 2 times. So we write here 2 into 2. Okay, after this we write LCM is the product of all prime factors, all different prime factors. So first this is maximum times 2, 2 times we write 2. Next different prime factor, prime number is 3. So this is 3. And next is this you can see 7 1 times we write here 7. You can multiply all factors. Okay, and first we take common numbers. Okay, so here 2 is first 2 times, so we write here 2, and 7 is 1 times, and 1 is only 1 times, so we write 3. Okay, so LCM of these numbers is 28 and 42 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so this is equal to, you can write 2 to 4, 4 3 is 12, and 12 7 is 84. Clear? 12 7 is 84. So that I hope all of you understood LCM by prime factorization methods. In this method, first we write express the given number as a product of prime factors. After this, we take the product of all different prime factors, each common prime factors, and the greatest number of times it appears in the numbers. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this LCM. First we write the factors, product of prime factors. After this we write this. Here you can see this is 1 pair, this is 7. So first write this here 2. Again this 2 is left, so again write this 2. 3 is left, we write this 3, and this is a common. Again write this 7. Okay, so this becomes 84 is the LCM of 28 into 42. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind. Now in the next video we discuss again the least common multiple by prime factorization methods and by division method. Jai Hind.